Imagine navigating a complex new world where every few years your life gets completely uprooted and you have to rebuild your social and professional network from scratch. For many military spouses, this is a familiar reality. Military spouse mentorship programs are structured initiatives designed to connect experienced military spouses with newer ones, providing guidance, support, and a sense of community. Their primary goal is to help spouses navigate the unique challenges of military life, from frequent moves to deployments and everything in between. These programs are incredibly vital because they address the inherent isolation and constant change that often comes with being a military spouse. Unlike civilian life, where support systems can develop over years in one location, military families often relocate every 2 to 4 years. Mentorship bridges this gap by creating an instant, trusted network. The value lies in peer-to-peer wisdom, offering practical strategies and emotional reassurance from someone who truly understands the experience firsthand. It is about fostering resilience and ensuring spouses feel connected, not alone, during their military journey. Participation in a mentorship program often begins with a simple application or registration through a local military installation family readiness center, a base family support program, or a dedicated online platform. Once matched, mentors and mentees typically establish communication through regular meetings, phone calls, or video chats. They might discuss everything from school registration in a new state to understanding military acronyms, or even just sharing experiences over coffee. The focus is on building a supportive relationship where the mentee can ask questions and receive encouragement. Many programs utilize a formal matching process to pair spouses based on factors like the service member's rank, branch of service, whether they have children, or even shared hobbies. This thoughtful approach ensures a stronger connection and more relevant advice. Some popular programs you might encounter are those run by the spouse clubs on base, or larger organizations like the Military Officers Association of America, or MOAA, and the National Military Family Association. Ultimately, these programs are about empowering military spouses to thrive, not just survive. They transform the challenging aspects of military life into opportunities for growth and connection, providing invaluable camaraderie, practical advice, and a comforting sense of belonging in a constantly changing world.